Good morning, guys. I knew it was a bad idea to stay up all night. Sorry for being late. just got in time to take the opening trade. Still swinging from overnight. I have one contract overnight. We streamed last night. Last night was fun. Made really good profits on 2 accounts with just 1 or 2 micros. Look at that micro go. Mm-hmm. 234. So I'm long from here from 1 o'clock in the morning. Look at it go. Up 300. But this account was like, I haven't traded this account in a while. Didn't have that much drawdown. Maybe I'll add one more actually. Are we going for all-time highs today, guys? I don't know if I want to swing this. I want to get at least $1,000 in drawdown on this account. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I stayed up like 3 a.m. last night. I was tired. I ended the stream. And then I went to bed, but I couldn't really fall asleep. $135 range. Do I want to take this on all the accounts? That is the question. Damn, Apex. That's crazy. Hopefully they pay you out. I don't know if I want to take this on micros. Maybe. Oh, wait a minute, though. So I'm long this one account. I wonder what would have happened if the opening range trade triggered me short. I didn't think of that. I gotta be careful with that. I just realized, what if the opening range trade triggered me short and I was long swinging one account? I honestly didn't like the short at the level we were at, so I wasn't even like, I was very careful. Could have triggered. I put my entry very wide, as you could see. Damn. Is it gonna sell right off? I'm gonna have to sell. I'm gonna have to sell this. I'm actually gonna just set a stop. That's right at support, but I have 2 straight to funded my funded futures accounts now as well. I don't know how to display all the PNL. Does DX feed have any sort of like? I downloaded this one thing, but I don't know if that's what. No, actually, nope. I guess I didn't download it. I got stopped out of that for profit. Damn, we're going 6 contracts long. That's risky business, but I like it. I like it. And right back down we go. Jesus Christ. A 135-point roller coaster. This looks very heavy. Can you copy trade Rhythmic with DX feed? Yes. Let me double check that it copied, but the copy trader let me. Let me see. Did it copy trade? I guess it didn't. No, I guess it didn't. I thought it did. Yeah, it's not showing up. There is a way though. I wish I had a quick way to trade it on my funded futures quickly. I gotta do it on a separate chart and I don't want to miss it, so can't do it right now. Didn't close below yet, so I'm not in. Okay, I'm in. That's the type of morning we like. Let's freaking go. 488. I guess I'm playing lottery with that because that's the lucky number to say. I even traded last night with micros and I got to 480. Oh, no, I got to 482 yesterday. Let's go. I should be at almost full drawdown on the accounts. Oh, I got a squirrel. Yeah, I'm back to full drawdown after taking that loss Friday. See? It's actually not too bad taking a loss once in a while. All right. I just wish my funded futures would have copied. I would have been up 500 on the first day on my straight to funded accounts. Bummer. But they didn't copy. Like they're in my copy trader. But unfortunately, yeah, I'm just going to trade the other accounts that I have not traded yet. I have 2 more accounts, 3 more accounts I could trade. Because I think this could go lower. This could go like... I don't know which accounts I didn't trade. I got 2 more evals passed, by the way. Yesterday I passed 2 evals from Apex and 1 bull knocks. So yesterday was a really fun stream. A lot of opportunity. But that 150K account that you guys, if you were watching, I lost that on the big dump that we had. Where was it? I don't even see it. Oh, this one. This big drop, I lost the 150K account, but the actual account, micros are good. Come on, did my computer just... I don't know what just happened, but I could probably find it. I bottom ticked it. I had it and I sold it at 676. My funded futures straight to funded is 229 and 15% off. but I only paid for one. We had Sharuz, what's going on, brother? We had Matt from My Fund the Futures come into the stream last night, and he dropped a bomb. He dropped 10 accounts. Now, I was able to use, because he did it twice, and I was already on the checkout page, so I got one. It was for 10 uses, a code, so it was gone in like 5 seconds. But the first time, I did not know that you could do it on the straight to funded. I thought it was just evals. He said evals or resets. So I got a 50K eval. And then someone said that they got the direct account or whatever they call them. And I was like, oh, no way. And then people were saying something in the chat, and I saw Matt was getting ready to do another 10. So then I was ready, and I bought for free a 50K straight to funded. But I did pay for a 25K straight to funded myself first. And when I did that, that's when Matt decided to drop 20. So I'm just going to try to figure out. I know there's a way. I know there is a way for copying DX with Rhythmic, but I don't know how to do it. Let's see. How much am I up in my Bullnox account? Quick way to check. All right, so I'm back up to 742 and 438. So again, last week I was last week I was digging back from negative balance, right? I was under 50,000 on a lot of the accounts, and I wasn't copy trading properly. So even though I had a really good week last week, it wasn't like you could see a lot of the progress. How much buffer do you need? You need 2,600 plus, I think 2,000. I'm pretty sure. But there actually might be 1,500 because I think you could take out within the 500 of the safety net. So I'm just going to try to grow them to 4,500 or 4,600. And it's going to take some time, but hopefully we could get on the streak. And if I can make $500 a day, that's going to... The first payout is the most painful one. Once you get the first payout, the rest will be pretty straightforward. Copy trade symbol mapping. What does that even mean? Oh, custom mapping. Oh God, that looks so complicated. So you're gonna get these accounts to 4,600? I don't know. I might get them to 3,600 and request 1,000 from each. You know, it depends how long it takes me and all that stuff. I don't need to get if I have like 10 accounts, if I could request 10 grand, you know, $1,000 from each account, I'll do it. But Apex is pretty slow with approvals this time around. Wow, right back up, huh? Well, there's some stuff going on with Bullnox. Someone's not getting paid a lot of money, so we'll see how that affects them. Can you do 7 ticks with my funded futures? I don't know if you can. Well, that was executed to perfection. All right, so I'm gonna see what happens here, but I got 2 more accounts to trade. Maybe I'll either scalp. Oh, the ATR is 27, so maybe we're not gonna scalp yet. That is a big ATR. Maybe we'll just trade micros. It's an interesting spot. It's hard not to want to short this right now since it's right at resistance. Kind of rejected pretty hard. But at the same time, it is election. And who knows what the market wants to do. Intermeaning, yeah, that's something to be careful with. I gotta email them for a refund, to be honest. I have all my fast track accounts. I don't even touch them. Let me show you guys. Since they return my balances. These are my fast track accounts. So you could see I got them all to 26,500. And then I got approved for a payout. And then they gave me this extra account. So I had 13 accounts out of 20 that made it to payout. I don't know what to do. I would gladly trade them if I knew I was going to get paid. But if I'm not going to get paid, then why am I going to waste my time? Come on. Right back down she goes. Dun, 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 dun. I want to start trading this, but just don't know which way I want to trade yet. When I trade with micros, the biggest thing for me is finding the right direction overall. It doesn't have to be now, as long as at some point you could use such a big risk with the big stop, I should say, not risk, big stop with micros. That's how I survived yesterday. I had a pretty big drop and didn't even phase me. Yesterday we stayed out of the range. Today we're in the range. Could be a range day today, actually. I guess yesterday we broke the range, the 15-minute range, and we just never went back inside of it. And today we can't seem to break out of it. But if I had to pick a side right now, I would definitely choose short. So just because of the hourly chart. But then the election makes it bullish, so I don't know. Can I do an approved pending under review poll? Sure. If you requested a payout from Apex 3.0, if you could vote, that would be great. Let's see. $30% rule? But do they mean 30% consistency rule or 30% stop loss rule? But I guess 30% stop loss will be risk management denial, not. That's bad if it's. I don't know. I hope they fix what they said they will fix, which is letting people know about any rule breakage before you can request a payout. Like, they should have a back end where it's like, it tells you exactly what your percentage is. Like, every other big prop firm, even Bullknox have that, where you could see exactly what your percentage is. Like, for a biggest prop firm, honestly speaking, like, the fact that Apex does not have a good dashboard is just not good, right? Damn. I would have taken it right there if it retouched 718. What do you mean Scott disappeared? But my selfie mirror, can you actually check if you were over 30%? Like, if you go to your Yeah, you could take a screenshot or import it into like a trading software. Well, now we got to make 40, like 600 if you want to take out 2,000. So 4,600, 30% of that is quite a lot. Yeah, it's 1380 or 4,100, whatever it is. Man, I was tempted to short, and I was tempted to long, but it didn't trap. I guess we're gonna have a range day today. It seems like. Not sure what I want to do yet. I'll see how it reacts to the highs, and then what's the ATR now? ATR is slowing down. Yeah, I just like what Bullnox has. See how Bullnox has 40% consistency. So like, if this is above 40% or at 40%, I know I can't request a payout. Like, it's so simple. That's because I took a big loss Friday on Bullnox. But you get the point. Such a simple, like, I don't know. I don't know why Apex doesn't do that. Yeah, very split poll. I need better posture when I sit. Maybe I gotta start standing again. Remember when I was standing for a little bit? It felt good. All right, let's see how it reacts here to the higher day. I think I'm gonna start shorting. If I see any sort of rejection. This is funded. So if it says AF, it's funded. I don't really trade evals on stream unless you'll see me trade big size if it's evals, like I did yesterday on during the election. I'm gonna start one there. See if we could get back down into the middle of the range. So I'm gonna risk of around well, the denials are usually for a reason. It's just it's not communicated well. It's not prevented well. Like on the back end, like they said, we're gonna prevent it where you're gonna go on the review and they're gonna check your accounts and I don't know. A dashboard, a simple dashboard is all they need. All right, maybe I know I got filled there, but why does it still say I have one more contract? I don't. Weird. Can we rotate back to the range? I don't know what this is. I'm in 2 contracts and This was supposed to be 1 contract. There's no execution marker here. So if I cancel this, what's going to happen? Okay. I have a lot of range, so I'm going to cover one for some profit. Goal is to make $200 or so. It's different accounts. They could deny it. Who knows? But held up pretty well. Greg, what's going on? Yeah, pretty good day so far. All right. Out of 1. Let's see if we could get around $200 on this trade total without having to add much more. Not bad. I just don't want to see a trap here now. It could bounce from here. Come on. Yeah, I was that was a sick entry actually, yeah. Top ticked it. Probably covered too soon on the first one, but because that's not much profit there on this. But this is how like these gurus, you know, these fake traders could, if I just take away the executions, right? If you don't see the executions and you don't see this entry and I just take a screenshot now of this trade and put it in my course, like see how they could get you? Go. Go down. Go down, please. A little more. Ah, what a bummer. A little unlucky there. Well, it's just a micro, so we'll wait. Yeah, I should start working on shorts. My channel exploded when I was posting short content. It helps a lot. I should be making recaps. But who wants to watch a trade like this on the recap, you know? I would have to speed it up in like 10 times or 20 times speed. Fighters, I got your emails. It just, for me to promote something, I have to believe in it. And with one payout a month and some of the rules that you guys have, we could gladly talk about it, but I'm not gonna push it down people and take a payment for it. Some of the rules that you guys have are tougher. Like one payout a month is not enough in today's prop firm space. But I was also away, so I haven't had time to respond to the email. Yes, it's 3 withdrawals, but that's 3 months of trading versus like Bull Knox, you get a payout every 10 days, Apex every 8 days, Top Step every 5 days. My funded futures, I don't even know how many days. Take profit trader, no, there's no days, so I'm just saying, like, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just for me to promote it and make it seem like it's good, I have to believe in it. But we'll take a look at your updated rules. Am I not gonna get filled? Entry of the day award. Yeah. I'm gonna start selling a course. How to top tick. Yeah, fight us. What's your discount right now? People could definitely use you. Go down. Anyone out there listening to me, please sell it. I can't go through this again. No, not again. I wasn't even paying attention.
Bot activated. Target failed. Thank you for playing.
Bugatti, that's just for you. Oh, yeah. What a trade. My execution's not showing up here, though. The top tick. Bugatti, I couldn't copy them. I'm pissed. I tried to copy them with my Apex accounts and I couldn't get it to work. I know there's a way to do it, but I haven't used them yet. Yeah. Like there's no like error, right? There's no error on this. So I thought it was gonna be good, but it's not. Usually they'll give you like an error. If you go to like Rhythmic and CQG, it will tell you you can't do that. I gotta do something with the custom mapped symbols, but I don't know how to do that. I gotta ask in my Discord. It's this. Custom mapped symbols. I don't know what that is, but all right. Having a great day so far. What a monster trade. I wish I could do something like that with minis though, right? If I could do that with minis, I wouldn't have the patience for it, but there's a 100-point trade. How many micros did you have on? 2 initially. I covered one like right here. Just playing the range. I'll probably go long at the bottom of the range on another account, maybe on my funded futures account. Fight is one thing if we could ask you to change. Can you make sure that you reset the account on the renewal? Because your accounts don't reset, right? On renewal. If you fail an eval, it doesn't reset. Oh, so that means I do have fighters accounts because I've been paying for a long time. Do you guys mind sharing how much have you paid out this year or lifetime? Fidus, what does this mean? $150K eval reset is $35. Yeah, it's 20% profit split too. Fidus is good as a secondary, like secondary or whatever. Okay, let me log in. Dashboard. Oh, my username changed. Oh, because that was wrong account. I'm an idiot. That was Precision Funding. Oh man, I could have been trading Fidus this whole time. Okay, I'm gonna do some evals from Fidus. Oh, Fidus is good. I have people in my Discord that use Fidus. It's not like, it doesn't like stand out. It's not like a shiny object or shiny prop firm. So there's definitely like I'm just gonna copy trade them. I'm just gonna copy trade from my other accounts into them. I should have been doing that a long time ago, and I'm an idiot, and I thought the login that I had saved in my QUANTOWER was for Fidus, but that was for Precision. So now I'm logged in, and I have 2 Fidus evals that I'm gonna try to pass, and then go from there. Yeah, but the challenge is like you're gonna waste your time on the challenge. I don't understand the challenge. Like, how are you gonna beat someone? Like, you have to be the best trader to do that. What are the rules? I don't know. We could take a look. The rules are not the simplest. Um, let's take a look. So it's only one request a month. So you could take out the safety net. That's not bad. At least with fighters, you could still you could request a safety net. That's actually gonna be a good selling point. So you got to trade for 10 days. That's fine. The only problem is if you miss 10 days by end of the month and then you got to wait another month for a payout, that's just painful. They use Rise. It's not bad. Okay, so it's end of day as well. Sorry, I was talking to my sister. Oh, my sister texted me. She's like, "Hey, she's never done this ever." She's like, "Oh, I heard the market went up. I hope it's good for you." Like, it doesn't really matter to me. Now, what are the rules for the eval? What's the eval rules? I can't even see. Top is in, right? Oh man. At 53 count, 53K my PA and one trade I made 1,000. Is that over 30%? Yes, but you got to make over 4,000 anyway to really request a full payout. Did I see what Fidus said? Yeah, whatever they want to do. I mean, if they want to give us a code, then they could drop in the chat. $54K, I can request 2K. Yeah, 54,100, I believe. I want to take one more trade before I call it a day. Code Alpine. Oh, let's go. So it's gonna be like $24 for a 50K account. Do I use Bullnox? Yes. You can have 20 accounts with Fidus. That's what makes it good. I'm gonna try to get funded with like 5 accounts. Can you scalp with Bullnox? Yes, you could do whatever you want with Bullnox. All right, guys. I'm gonna probably call it here soon, though. I got too many emails and stuff. As you can see, I'm distracted. Lawrence, good morning. It's a very good morning indeed. For a couple reasons. I've really been on a good streak. I'm finally getting out of the funk. The ORB King is back. I'm doing great. A little tired from the trip and then lack of sleep last 2 nights. But should get some good rest tonight. I want to go drive the car. I haven't driven the car in a long time. It's been sitting in a dusty garage. I gotta finish the garage. I don't even know when I'm gonna do all this stuff. Do you guys feel like you have like debt with time? Like just not enough time in the day to do everything you want or need? It's just like I have so many things to do, and I'm just like, I'm not the most organized person, so like I'm always late to the stream. Like that's how you know it's bad. Like today I was up early and I snoozed, and of course I overslept. I mean, I still showered before. I have to usually take a cold shower in the morning. So I still did that, and I got to the desk on time to take the opening trade, but I did not get to the desk on time to start the stream. And then I'm gonna finish streaming probably 12:30 today, so another hour. Then I gotta do laundry from the trip. Then I'm gonna head to the gym. Then I want to be back for the Barcelona game. And while I'm watching the Barcelona game, I'm also gonna be doing emails and contracts. I had so many inquiries when I was away. I don't know if people just probably gonna lose some business because of it because I didn't respond, but just got a payout approved in less than an hour. See, like I don't get some people get approved so quick, and then how cold is it? It's not that cold. We're having like record it's in the 70s. Oh, it's a perfect day for a drive. Oh yeah. I wonder, can I go get a car wash with the cracked windshield? I wonder. My car is so dusty because of the sanding in the garage. Like I really want to get it washed. I got a long ways to go before I request a payout from Apex. I have one account almost there, but still a long ways to go. Hopefully, end of this month, I'll request. Since there's no more payout windows, hopefully, like for Thanksgiving. Well, it's a hand car wash. But I know what you mean. Like hot and cold water could definitely make it worse. Yeah, I just want to get through it before I replace it. I got to replace it soon, but just no time for anything. I'm missing all these trades in this range. We're still in the same range. Like I said, I called it earlier. We're going to be probably trading in the range. It's getting tighter and tighter though. Do you think fast track is safe to use? No. Honestly speaking, no. Fast track is definitely at your own risk. It's really the only prop firm that's at this stage where it's like you just don't know. Yeah, I got denied 18 grand after being approved. What's the code for Apex 80% off and $85 activation? It's code Alpine. Well, that's how they're in business because they denied the payouts, Robert. You just answered your own question. How can they still be in business when they approved payouts by then denied them? Well, by denying those payouts, they stayed in business. Oh yeah, I was gonna see like, did people actually get their refunds when they requested their refunds? How can I confirm the activation is $85? I'll show you right now. I have an account. That's the thing. It's a promo, so it's I have one account to activate. I'm gonna have one more tonight. Probably gonna try to pass one more eval tomorrow with Fidus and Bullnox. See? $85 for the first 10 years, then 1 penny for each additional 10 years. So it's still there. Bum, bum, bum. When will it end? It's been like that for a long time, so I don't really know if they're gonna end it. It's same thing as the 1 day pass. Like that's a promo. That's not the rules, but I don't know why they don't change that on the website. All right, just activated it. It's 11:34. Let's see how long it takes. Yeah, Jason, that's what sucks about Bullnox, but it's good to have them in a backup. I had an issue last week with Bullnox because I took a big loss on Friday and I wasn't copy trading properly, so I never grew my accounts. So I just made back the losses. I'm up like $500 on them. But if I didn't have a stop loss, I would have blew the accounts. Like if I traded the opening range trade the way I always did in the past, I would have blew the accounts. I got bottom ticked into a trade. Yeah, that's pretty crappy. I was debating if I should get a refund or not. It's a lot of money. It's like $3,500 or $3,000, something like that. I got the email that it's activated, so I should get logged out here soon. Yeah, Tradeify actually, that's what I was gonna do. If I get the refund from my funded futures, I would invest into Tradeify accounts. Did I just have a bird fly into my house? No, it's good. It flew away. Looked like it hit my house and fell. All right. We're back in business here with another account. So I'm at 16 accounts now. One is very low drawdown, so I'm not expecting to make much out of that one. But yeah, fight is without. Midnight. No, I don't take it on the break. Maybe the one is a swing account. They have swing accounts. Did I win yesterday's trade? Yeah, I made 482. One of the accounts that's at 482. And then I took another trade that made 138. I was up $300 on it, but the account that's up 138, that was also overnight. So I made a lot of profit yesterday with just one micro. Okay, let's see. I'm tempted to short again. Maybe this time on an eval. You know what? See if we could get this target. T-Ray, you might be right. I'm very disappointed. It would have put me very close to 400K. Another sick entry. Damn, I'm on fire today. Come on. Let's get this $500 to start this fight is eval. There we go. One second, guys. I have a package delivery. I was not expecting this package today. Let me open it for you guys. I will show you what it is. Maybe I'll put it here actually for now. For the garage. It's all the letters. Remember we talked about it on stream a while ago, and I wasn't sure which color to get. Nice. Do I copy to all 50 accounts? Yeah. I copied to 75 accounts. Imagine. My goal was always to have 30 accounts, and now I have more than that, but I can't use some of them. Apex is making me send in videos again? Oh no. That's unfortunate. I don't have 50 accounts. I have 13 with Fast Track. I have 17 with Apex, so that's 40. No, that's 30. I have 2 with Bull Knox, and I have 2 with My Fun Day Futures. So I have 34 accounts. But I'm not trading my Fast Track right now, and I don't think I'm ever going to get paid from them. I'm not counting on it. So can we request 2K by end of the day today? I don't know. I think that ended, no? Yesterday wasn't the last day yesterday? Is Fast Track legit? No, they're struggling financially right now. Why don't I think I'll get paid for my fund of futures? No, I said, did I say my fund of futures? I meant Fast Track, my bad. Like from these accounts. This is fighters evals. And just so you guys know, the fighters discount, like I don't get anything for it, so it's not like I'm affiliated or anything. I don't have that code is not mine. John said we could still request 2K by November 6th. Maybe I got the wrong dates, but if that's the case, then yeah. I don't have 8 days on this account. Otherwise, I would request a payout. Have I heard of Profit Trade? Yeah. I don't know if they're good. Are they good? No idea. I've heard of the Tick accounts, Tick Trader accounts. There's some new ones. You're waiting 44 days to get paid with fast track. So you were above the safety net. I'm taking another short. Come on. They have 80% off. That's a sale. It's 80% off. $85 activation. 1 day pass. It's a sale that they've had. The 90% is just probably not profitable for them. I have people on my Discord getting payouts with fighters. The physical addresses of prop firms are fake anyway. Not fake, but it's virtual. A lot of times it's virtual offices, and that's annoying to get missed, to get filled on that profit target. It's called Alpine AC. But it's not my code. Like, I don't get anything for it. It's 25% off. I mean, 50% off, which means it's $25 evals. Oh, wait. I'm assuming, I don't even know. I was gone. I don't know. Does Apex not have a sale right now? No, they do. 80% off. I'm short. Yeah, I'm going to get stuck here. It's just an eval, though, so I'm not worried. I just tried. It still works. My opening ORB is intuition based. It's not time based. %80 is normal, yeah. They're not gonna have 90% off anytime soon, I don't think. I think those days are over. Come on. Oh, I don't think this is gonna work. Chop, chop, chop. It's gonna break one way or the other eventually. But I'm gonna call it a stream, guys. See how this works out. I'm gonna get very aggressive at the highs. Probably gonna blow this eval. I'm on the wrong side. Do I have pain from failed breakouts? A little bit. I have pain from everything. There's nothing that hasn't happened to me in the markets. I missed my profit target here by what, a couple ticks on this trade. I don't even know what my drawdown is. This is all messed up. I don't really know what the drawdown is. Is it 2,000 or 2,500? Yeah, there is an activation fee. There's lifetime and there is a monthly activation fee, depending on which one you want to do. Nah, so yeah, you definitely don't understand. Lifetime means you only pay once. So you pay a little bit more upfront, but you have one fee. You don't pay ever again if the account lasts. The benefit of a monthly account is that if you happen to blow the account in the first month, then you save yourself some money. I saved a lot of money on Apex back in the day using monthly. Last year especially. Oh wait, maybe I'll survive. Come on, baby. Do it. Breakdown. Come on. Breakdown. We have a huge trend line here, but let's meet right here at the crossover point. Damn. So close. And we have 300 votes on the poll now. Do I trade without a stop loss? Yeah. I just stop out at the max loss usually. Like on evals, I don't use a stop at all. But on like when I trade micros, I just risk $700 and try to make like $300 profit. So whatever comes first. Oh, they allow it. You just can't lose more than like 30% of your drawdown in one trade. But whether you put a stop loss manually or if you stop out manually, doesn't matter. Damn, Slade, how bad? Daily loss limit on Tradeify accounts. But you got to pay out from them already, right? They're paid for. Martian, yeah. Who the hell knows? Come on. Nice. I didn't trade my milestone accounts yet. I tried. I didn't think the copy trader wasn't going to work. I would have been up $500 on each. But nope. Okay, maybe now. Can we break lower, please? Oh my God, what a tease. looks heavy now. Gotta take it off. Don't want to risk a bounce here. There's no trend. It's a range today. I'm fighting the chop because my entry is not the high of this range, or top of this range really. My short should be here, not here, which makes a big difference. But it's just an eval. I'm not sure what the rules are for ES on my funded futures. On NQ, it's 5 points. But I'm not sure what the equivalent is for ES. Not really top X. Sometimes, but not really. I'm gonna just get out of this trade and be done. Just quick scalps. What a slow market now. As soon as I leave, I know it's gonna pick up, but I'm gonna go for a drive. I gotta do laundry, and I want to be back before 3 o'clock for the Barcelona game. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be signing off here. This is just an eval, so it doesn't really matter. Overall, super happy with today. On top of my Apex 5700, I also got $1,000 or $1,000 in my Bullnox account. And I wish 2 of my funded futures accounts copied, because then it would be another $1,000. But I'll try to work on the copy traders, see if I can figure it out, and I'll make a video about that. Maybe Scotty's driving his new Ferrari. This is FIDUS, so we're giving FIDUS a try now. Gotta spread your wings in today's age of prop firms. You just never know. And I definitely want to do Tradeify again. I think Tradeify is good, but I would like to do that from what do you call it? From a refund from my funded futures. Oh man. Can we get this to crack now so I could do on stream and get out of this trade for, I don't know what my drawdown is. It sucks, I can't see. Fidus is using the longest code names for your account. I guess not. Any thoughts about the election? I'm just glad it was a clear win and not like unknown. Close run. And hopefully things get better. Hopefully cost of living goes down. Because it's extremely expensive to live right now. Yeah, I'm happy with Trump. I'm a business guy, so I don't really get involved in politics. And I've always been the type of person to believe in my own self, where it's like I dictate my life and my future, and Trump or Harris or Biden, they're not dictating how much money I'm going to make in my trading career or in my business, right? So I'm in control of that myself. I'm in control of my health for the most part, as long as they don't, force you to take vaccines. I never got vaccinated, so I didn't have to. But there's some people I know that had to, otherwise they would get fired from work, which that was total BS and biggest scam of all time. Yeah, Trump always loses in New Jersey. I don't know how. New Jersey, New York, I don't know how, but it's fine. I mean, there's good things from both sides, and it's just on the other side. I mean, we just had it for 4 years and it was horrible, right? So nothing would have changed. I mean, did you see like what Harris was doing she was getting rappers and like it's all about women, and then they bring out these girls. Nothing wrong with them as rappers, but like that's the image you want to like give, like I don't know. And I'm an immigrant, right? So the immigration thing's kind of just that's my, if there's anything I talk about strongly is immigration. US is a great country, and immigration is huge, but do it legally. There's everyone's an immigrant, but if you do it legally, there's no problems. There's a lot of like issues. There's a lot of like we think there's loopholes in prop firms. There's so many loopholes in like, people having kids and not getting married because they get benefits, right? How many people use that loophole not to get married because they'll get benefits as single parents? Like, when I used to work as an EMT, I had people like that, in my job, and they thought it was great. So it like hurts the people that actually need it, and it's just like, and then the taxes go up, and it's just that's why I don't get involved, because I don't know where to start. I think I'm in control of my own health. I'm in control of my own income. Cost of living, obviously, that impacts everyone, and let's be real. Like, you go to a grocery store, $100, you'll buy bread, milk, and some eggs, and it's $100. Like, you can't, like, how are people gonna buy houses now? Like, I don't know. Buying a house right now is a nightmare. But it's just, it's whatever. We just gotta keep on making some money. Like, I used to be always strong about the taxes. And I remember getting like a couple comments is like, yeah, but you have to make like 400,000. It only affects people that make 400,000. And I'm just like, I didn't respond to those people. Like, those people don't know like my income. I'm like, they're just assuming that no one's making 400,000. And if I wasn't making 400,000 at the time, that's my goal, and that's what I want to do one day, right? So it's like, I'm very big on taxes. I think taxes are the biggest, what? Phil goes, you will not be able to stream music on YouTube. You can, but you're not gonna get monetized. Um, as a scalper, it's better to trade one by one, Brahim, in my opinion, because with scalping, you could get a lot of opportunities throughout the day. If you trade a strategy that happens only a couple times a day or once a day, then it's better to copy trade, because then you don't have enough like opportunities. Like the way I trade right now with the opening range trade, for example, and the 945 opening range trade, like I have to copy trade. Otherwise, I will not be able to trade all the accounts. But if I'm scalping, then I would trade them one at a time. Unless I had like 20 accounts, then I would trade like 2, 3, 4. John, but that's from the market. Scaled it, but this is not Gilda, so this is regular income, just so you know. Like when you make money with um prop firms, it's not capital gains. I'll be almost at the highest tax bracket, if not at the highest tax bracket, with all my income. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. I don't care about this eval. Let it just play out. If it goes down, it goes down. If it doesn't go down, whatever. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hit the likes, hit the subscribe button. And Brian, yes, I do. What do you trade though on TradeStation? You trade futures, or do you trade stocks or options? I used to trade stocks until December. I'm gonna get back to stocks though. I miss stocks, but I don't know when. Maybe when I get to $1 million in payouts. If you trade futures, then 100% you want to do funded accounts, because you don't want to do one funded account. You want to do multiple funded accounts. And then you just make a couple $100 a day. And then imagine having 10 accounts and making $40,000 in a month. However, you only made $300 a day, right? You made only $300 a day, but you had 10 accounts. So you made $6,000 in the month. But you were able to take out 40,000. And your only risk was around $1,500. So for $1,500, you can make $40,000. And that's incredible. Like, how old am I? I'm 35. I'll be 36 in exactly a month and a week. Yeah, Brian, tune in. Yeah, you have to pay for every single funded account. You have to pass every single account. Like, this is a challenge, right? This is an evaluation challenge, meaning I have to get to a certain profit target on this account to get the actual account. But keep in mind that when you go live, or when you're funded with these accounts, they're not actually live. You're still trading sim. Eventually, the regulations are getting more strict. So eventually, you'll be going to a live account. But in the meantime, you're only trading a sim account. So when you make money and you get paid, you're getting paid not from the market, but you're getting paid from the company. It's like an insurance model, right? So you pay your insurance deductible, your insurance premium, and then when you need to make a claim because someone scratched your car or you cracked your windshield like I did, right? You go through your insurance and they pay you from not your premium, but from everyone else's premiums. And the income is not capital gains. The income is a ordinary 1099 non-employee compensation. All right, screw this eval. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out because it's already almost 1. I always do this. Like, supposed to be done at 12:30. It's already 12:45. I do the same thing in the morning. I do the same exact thing in the morning. It's like, oh, it's 9 o'clock. I got 10 more minutes. Could scroll through Instagram. I'm late for the open. Yep. Self-employment tax, you pay all of it. But it's only up to like 100 something thousand. Like, I'm not paying self-employment taxes on, or social security taxes on all of my income. It's only the first 160,000 or something like that. But taxes are expensive. See, when you just wait for the top of the range, how much easier things get. I didn't cover because it's an eval. I don't know if they have trailing drawdown or end of day drawdown. Does anyone know? I think they have end of day. I think I read that. Ba-dum, ba-dum. How do I go about managing multiple accounts? Ugh. Just get used to it. I mean, I take different approach, so it's hard to say. Right now, I'm just copy trading a lot of the accounts. This is Fidus. This is an eval. I'm gonna fail it, most likely because I'm on the wrong side. I had a chance to get out for profit, but it keeps getting bought up. So unless it goes down now, it's over. I just wanted to get the pain over with. What's going on with payouts? I'm assuming they just got too many at once. I have no idea. All right, this is not gonna work. This is just going up and up. Let's add again. I'm just trying to get this over with. Trend is your friend? I wish. I wish the trend was my friend, but trend doesn't like me. I gotta go too. That's the problem. Like, I'm still stuck here and for no reason. I'm gonna be rushing all day now because of this. I'm not gonna enjoy the gym workout unless I miss the game. Hey, please just go up or go down, one or the other. Can you trade funded accounts on TradingView? Yes, certain prop firms you can. So that's something you will have to do research on. The prop firm gives you the data feed and choice of platform. I'm gonna head out, guys. Whatever happens with this happens. I'm over it. This is just annoying price action at this point. It's just an eval. Again, really good day overall today. Super happy. And hope to do it again tomorrow on Friday. If I do it tomorrow on Friday, then that'll be all green week. And that would be amazing. Really could use that. Last week was pretty good, but Friday I was red. But a lot more green days than red days now, and that's what we want to see. And just use your codes. My code is Alpine 90 with bull knocks, by the way. It's not Alpine. Don't use Alpine with bull knocks, please. Actually, hold on. I emailed them yesterday. They did respond. I forgot to check. Actually, they did change it. Great. Auction news? Or just a breakout? What do you guys think? Is there an auction? Yeah, I think I got my code now. I think they changed it. I spend about from 4 or 5 hours, sometimes more, sometimes less. I was just on a trip for work in Punta Cana, and I spent maybe a half hour the entire week on the charts. Oh, maybe no, actually more, because one trades at 9:30, one trades at 9:45, so that right there is 15 minutes. So I lied, but like half hour a day. But the actual trading was less than half hour total. I'm not a full-time trader now. I'm a wedding DJ. I didn't get to take that many good videos. It was so hot and humid that my phone kept fogging up, and I'm terrible at taking videos. When I'm working, I'm in the zone. Like, I need to set up like a real camera and just have it almost like the streaming camera, where I could have it connected to my computer, right? Like, this is like the streaming software. So now I'll be able to see the camera, and I just could hit record every time I know there's gonna be a good song or I see something on the dance floor. But I don't know. I just like to live in the moment. All right, let's see. Can we get saved here? Can't believe I've been surviving this uptrend. It's 1 o'clock. I can't believe it. I was supposed to be done half hour ago. Brahim, I do, depending on what kind of trading I do, I have a target between $200 to $500 a day. Keeps bouncing of the previous support. Holy crap. Any advice for beginners? Take it easy. Do not copy trade accounts until you get consistent payouts or some consistency. Save yourself the headache of losing too much money early on. And if you just trade one account, you don't have to trade just one account, but don't copy trade, right? Copy trading is the devil in the prop firm space if it doesn't work well. And it's the angel if it does work well. But until you gain confidence, there should be no reason for you to lose money with copy trading until the accounts are paid for by payouts. That's my biggest advice for beginners. It's always been my advice, and that's exactly what I did. If I was copy trading all my accounts early January, or if I had more accounts early January, December, January into February, then I would be up probably close to $450,000 in payouts now. But I was only trading like 5 accounts at that time. Things were going really well, but I had to build up my confidence. KK bros, right now, yes. Right now, a lot of people, as you could see in the poll, I made a poll up there. You could see. All right, time to go long, guys. This shorting is just not it today. Let me just blow this account so that way I could just move on with my day. It's just an eval, guys. Don't panic. I'm supposed to be gone 40 minutes already, and I'm still in this. I don't know how many contracts you could even trade with them. I guess 10. All right, guys. I gotta go. I'm not gonna make it back for the game. And my dad's coming for the game. I'm gonna be working more than watching the game, but I'll see everyone tomorrow. This eval is gonna be dead any moment now. We'll try again tomorrow. I'll try to get like 3 funded accounts with them. Have I received my fast track payout? No. It got canceled. I will not be getting a payout unless I trade more. But even then, I don't think I'm going to waste my time. But anyway, guys, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for being here. And I did not touch my funded futures accounts today because it did not copy trade. It didn't copy trade the accounts. I thought it was gonna copy trade them with but yeah, nothing copied. You gotta set it up properly. Well, fast track payout if you get past the buffer, I don't know. That's the biggest thing. It's like, will they pay out? Do they have the money? There's some big payouts that are pending. Adios, guys. Let's go Barcelona. Whoa. We got some nice volatility now. Of course, I'm leaving. All right, guys. See, made around $6,500 today. So I'm happy with that. Till tomorrow. Let's keep the green streak alive. Later, guys.